Okay, it's Mr. Dorsey again. Let me drag my image way off to the corner here so it's out of the way. I came up with yet one more way to visualize greater than or less than. I'm hoping that this helps. So if you can imagine for a minute, this is a scale, like a balance scale. And normally, it starts out evenly balanced. Now I'm putting on this side something that weighs 1 or something that is size 1 or 1 of something. And on the right side, I'm putting something that is 2 of something. So the left side is smaller than the right side. But what does that do to our scale? Let's take a look. Now, I don't know if I can actually get it to do this all at once because these are all separate pieces. But bear with me. Imagine that this whole thing is on a scale. There we go. And it tips, right? The scale tips to the right. And what is that really doing? Well, if you get rid of the extra pieces here, I put the fulcrum of our scale as being a V shape, but let's get rid of it and straighten up what we have left. And what we have is, this point is actually more toward the left, so let's do it that way. 1 is less than 2. That's kind of cool. Let's try that again. Let's do it one more time, going the other direction. Again, imagine this is your fulcrum, your tipping point, your balancing point of the scale. This is the scale bar or arm, or I don't know the actual term for that, but the balance bar, balance rod. All right, let's say instead of 1 and 2 on those sides, we do something slightly different. 6 and 3. Sorry, bear with me. I'm making these things as I go. I'm going to put 3 on the right side and 6 on the left side. Okay, so pretend with me that this is level to begin with. And then what happens? Well, because 6 is larger or heavier than 3, it tips to the left. So let's just tip the whole thing as it would tip. Bear with me, it's not one piece, but it looks like that. Now let's get rid of these extra things, right? So let's get rid of the bottom. Let's get rid of this bar. Let's put our 6 and our 3 in place, and then let's lay them out. It's pointing already this direction. Yes, 6 is greater than 3. I thought that this little visual might be good for you to help you remember. Those of you that struggle with it, I think it's a great visualization. You can use variables and whatever as you get into inequalities in algebra. And it does not change the fact that greater than is this sign and less than is this sign. And again, you can do that the same way by, let's see how we can get that to work. Oh, this would tip this way. And then if we tip that way, we have this. 3 is less than 6. Okay, so there you go.